Here are 7 ways to calm your chocolate cravings this Easter. Easter can be a really tricky time if you are constantly thinking about food, struggling with cravings, or having guilt around food and your eating. And I know that especially with my clients who struggle with emotional and disordered eating, that this can be one of their triggering times. Now, you might be wanting to try and resist the chocolate, to control it, or even get it out of the house. And you end up feeling completely out of control as a result. And you're not alone. Many people feel this way, but it doesn't have to be this way. Now, these 7 steps are designed to help you feel calmer, to feel more in control, and to actually be able to enjoy Easter without feeling guilty afterwards. So number 1, eat chocolate with or after a balanced meal. So having chocolate after a meal, especially one with protein and vegetables and fibre and some natural fats, helps to keep your sugar stabilised. So this reduces the urge for you to keep going. If you're just snacking on its own, then try pairing the chocolate from the Easter egg chocolate with a small handful of nuts, for example, and even that will help to curb your cravings going forward. Number 2, challenge your all or nothing thinking. I've talked about this before, check out my past blogs and videos on this, but really it's about telling yourself that you shouldn't have the chocolate can actually make the cravings stronger. Giving yourself permission, however, to have the chocolate and seeing it as just food is how you're able to take that power away from it. Number 3, don't just try and get rid of it by overeating. I know that this is a very common thing with my clients, that they say, well, I just wanted to finish it. I just wanted to get it all out the way, all gone. And then it was gone. And actually finishing the whole egg just to remove the temptation really doesn't work. It ends up making you feel worse. You don't need to rush it. You don't need to earn your food. You can come back to it. So trying to manage that thinking around having to get it all out the house. Number 4, plan ahead and avoid getting over hungry. Now, when you're starving, your brain is more likely to crave a quick energy source like chocolate. So actually eating regularly and planning balanced meals is actually going to help you avoid any binge situations or overeating situations or feeling out of control around that particular food. Number 5, pause and check in before you eat. Ask yourself, am I really hungry, or is there something else I'm needing right now? Am I tired? Am I bored? Am I stressed? Am I needing some kind of comfort? And see if there's anything else that you can provide for yourself, gift to yourself that you need in that moment. The pause can really help you make a conscious choice rather than just eating mindlessly on autopilot. Number 6, mindfully enjoy the chocolate. If you're going to have the chocolate, let yourself enjoy it without feeling guilty. Sit down, eat it slowly and mindfully, and take it in with all your senses. This is part of healing your relationship with food, and just being able to give yourself that time, that purpose to actually say, I'm going to enjoy this without scrolling on my phone, without watching TV, because then that won't be a mindful experience. And finally, number 7, learn from any setbacks you have without the judgment. If you do find yourself overeating, don't beat yourself up. The shame just keeps that cycle going. Instead, reflect with curiosity. What led to this? What I might try next time that would be different? What might be more helpful for me to think and to do next time, without the shame, the guilt, and beating yourself up. Remember, chocolate, it really isn't the enemy. The restriction and the shame and guilt that often leads to the spiraling and feeling out of control. And you can enjoy chocolate without feeling out of control. The more you practice these steps, the more peaceful your relationship with food will be. If you'd like more support around cravings, emotional eating, binge eating, and food freedom, and my book, The Binge Freedom Method, goes into all of this and so much more. You'll find practical tools and a full framework to help you feel calmer and more in control around food, not just at Easter, but forever. So you can find the link somewhere around this video and get your hands on my book. Until next time.